Hello and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today is December 31st, 2024, and we're diving deep into the EURUSD. Recent news indicates a cautious market sentiment, with the US dollar holding steady against the euro. Many sources point to a range-bound EURUSD in the 1.04 region in recent days, which we will now verify from the charts. Let's start by examining the daily chart. We observe a consolidation period around the 1.04 level with relatively lower trading volume. Notice the lack of any significant breakouts in either direction, which suggests indecision in the market. Switching to the 1-hour chart, we can examine price fluctuations within the daily range. The smaller time frame reveals more frequent price oscillations and increased volatility. Now, focusing on the 15-minute chart, we can observe even more detailed price movements. This granular view allows us to identify short-term support and resistance levels. Interestingly, the 15-minute chart shows a pattern of consolidation between 1.041 and 1.042, which correlates with the broader daily range. It appears that many of the smaller moves are relatively contained, suggesting that the larger picture is still range-bound. This confirms the news report's assertions about the market's hesitancy. Let's revisit the 1-hour chart to observe these range-bound activities from this perspective. The repeated attempts to break above 1.05 and below 1.04 suggest a balance of buyers and sellers in the market. A significant move above 1.05 on the 1-hour chart could signal a potential breakout to the upside. Conversely, a drop below 1.04 would suggest potential bearish movement. These levels must be confirmed by volume and the daily chart. Looking at the daily chart once more, note the lack of extreme changes in price. Such lack of major shifts further supports the idea that the market is indecisive and therefore range-bound. In summary, the EURUSD appears to be consolidating around 1.04 to 1.05. A break above 1.05 could signal a bullish trend, while a break below 1.04 may indicate bearish momentum. The likelihood of a significant movement, short-term, remains low due to the lack of decisive volume in the 1-hour chart and the daily chart. However, these levels are highly relevant since the news supports the continuation of range-bound conditions. Keep your eyes on the daily volume and observe for significant changes that could indicate a breakout.